Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. Alright, so basically to take a screenshot, if you have your keyboard ready, you just hold your Windows key, Shift and S, and then after that this toolbar type thing or menu comes up, and then you can take your screenshot. If you want to do like a rectangle, like just draw it out like this, like let's say I want a picture of this Google logo, and it takes that rectangle of and screenshots it. So now I can click here and then it shows up here. And then there's like other variations you can do. So if we click Windows Shift and S again, then this is gonna pop up. You could do a free form, which is like drawing out your border of your screenshot. So I just want to do YouTube, but I want to do like little squiggly and stuff. And then yeah, that you can do it like that too. If you want to do a screenshot like that, like small one. Then you could open this back up again. There's another one where this is window, so whatever tab you have open, like your program, it's gonna take a screenshot of that. So it just shows just the window. And the last one is the full screen. That's gonna include like the taskbar and everything, like on the bottom and the window. And that is how you take a screenshot on Windows. Or if you want to use a program, Windows 10 should come with a snipping tool. Just click that, click open, and click on new. And then you could like screenshot like this as well. So I don't want that screenshot. Let's open snipping tool. If you're gonna be taking a lot of screenshots, you can put it to your taskbar here. And then the same stuff we just went over when we were looking at the other weights screenshot. Click by holding Windows, it says it right here, Windows, Shift and S. You can do rectangular, you can do freeform, which is drawing, window, which shows a window, full screen, it shows everything. Takes a picture of the whole thing. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and bye.